Have you ever bought furniture that came in a flat pack box? Like a chair or a table from IKEA? You open the box, and what do you see? Not a chair, just a bunch of parts: legs, seat, screws, maybe a tiny tool. But your brain goes, ah, I get it. This will be a chair. You are looking at all the parts at the same time: the front, the back, the sides. It's all there in pieces. Keep that picture in your mind, because if you understand that, you are already halfway to understanding Cubism. So, what is Cubism? Well, it is not just about making things look like cubes. It is an art style that changed how people thought about painting. Before Cubism, artists tried to paint things the way they looked from one spot, like looking through a window, one view, one moment. But Cubist artists said, that is not how we really see things. Our eyes move around. We remember what the back of a chair looks like, even if we are looking at the front. We imagine the sides too. So why not show all of it? That is what Cubism tries to do. Let's look at a real Cubist painting. Here's one by Georges Braque. At first, it might look like a bunch of messy shapes. Brown and grays, not very clear. But guess what? It is a violin. The artist didn't draw it the normal way. He broke it apart, like puzzle pieces, and showed it from the front, the side, even the top. Look closely. You might see the curve of the violin's body, the little swirl at the top, even some sheet music nearby. It's like the violin was taken apart and shown all at once. Kind of like our flat-pack chair. It is not broken. It is just shown in a new way. So why was this a big deal? Because for hundreds of years, painters wanted their art to look real, like a photo before cameras existed. One view, perfect and still. Then in the early 1900s, two artists, Pablo Picasso and Georges Braque, said, real life isn't still. It's always changing. We see things from many angles. We remember shapes, feelings, space. So they painted all of that together. They used simple shapes like cylinders, cones, and of course cubes to show how things are built. They weren't just copying what they saw. They were showing how they understood it. So why should we care now? Because Cubism broke the rules and made new ones. It showed that art doesn't have to look real to be meaningful. You see this idea everywhere today, in graphic design and logos, in modern buildings, in movies that show the same scene from different angles. Cubism teaches us to look deeper, to notice how things are made, not just how they look. Cubism is when an artist shows you all sides of something: front, back, top, and even feeling, all at once on one single canvas. So next time you see a weird blocky painting and think, what is that? Think back to that flat pack box. Maybe the artist isn't just showing you how something looks. They are showing you everything they know about it, all at once. If you learned something new today, please go ahead and tap that like button. And if you want more big ideas explained simply, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.